Hey guys, welcome back. So in today's video, I'm going to do an unboxing of the Jeffree Star eyeshadow palette. Now, this is the box and I got my Jeffree Star palette from Beauty Bay. And how lovely is the box? All purple. It looks so cool. It's in there. So I'm going to review it. I'm going to swatch some of the, all of the shadows, and then I'm going to do kind of an eyeshadow look. I don't know what yet, just something kind of, you know, cool. And yeah, we'll see what happens from there. So I hope you are all okay today, guys. I've not done one of these in a long time, the kind of, you know, makeup kind of tutorials. Not tutorials, because I hate that. You know, I always hate tutorials. But I haven't done one of these videos for a long time. So, do I look okay? My hair seems to be behaving today. So I'm really excited to kind of do this, get into it. Do I need to unbutton this? Look, is it too much? Yeah, that's better. I am really excited. I really should sort myself out before I go on camera, shouldn't I? So, what I'm going to do, so I'm going to take you through my face. You know I like to do this all the time, and it's not the same if I don't take you through, you know, my face. So, nothing really to write home about, just my normal kind of look. I'm using a lip pencil from Primark, and I love it. It's so good. I love the colour. I've been wearing this quite a lot lately. I've actually been... Oh, there's someone here. Every time I video, there's someone here. No. I've actually been gravitating more to kind of lip pencils now than lip glosses, as you maybe can tell in my videos. But it kind of comes and goes. So I'm really into lip pencil. I don't like lip products much now because they kind of dry out my lips. And I don't like the idea of a full kind of crusty matte lip. I like just lip pencils. They just make your lips so like kind of... I was going to say the word moist, but no. They make your lips really, I don't know, just juicy and really nice. So, what I'm going to do, I'm going to get into the unboxing. So, look at this. I haven't actually opened it yet. And it's in here. So, did I tell you what the palette is? It's the Jawbreaker mini palette. I haven't actually owned anything, any palettes by Jeffree Star. So, I'm really excited. Does it come with a postcard? It's only when you order from him. I have to say also, Beauty Bay is an affiliate of Jeffree Star, so they are licensed to sell Jeffree Star products. So let's get into it. So, what I noticed first of all, this mini breaker is in kind of embossed. It kind of stands out. I love that. It's so cool. So it says eyeshadow pressed pigment palette. And it says it's in, you know, distributed by Jeffree Star Cosmetics, Calabasas, California, Instagram, YouTube. It's so cool. So I'm going to get into it now, guys. I'm so excited. Look! It's white! So this is the palette. And it's got kind of embossed. It's embossed. You know, if you know what that means, it's kind of everything's raised. Is that a word? What the hell? Oh, this palette's... This pan's popping out a bit here, guys. Oh my God, do I just push it back in? Yeah, I think it's gone back in now. Look at this. How high pigmented are these shadows? They don't smell. Oh my God, look. I am absolutely... And it's got a mirror also. Fuck. So I'm going to read you out the shades now. So we've got Double Scoop, and that's the kind of brownie colour. It's like a brownie mauve kind of colour. Orange Crush, which is I'm excited about. That's a shimmer orange. Foreplay is a lavender kind of purple. Oral is a shimmery purple. Purple Punch is quite kind of a deep purple. Slice is a glitter. I'm excited to use that. A glitter kind of gold. And Bubblegum, that's cute. Pink. I don't really have any pink eyeshadow. Bite Me is another purple one, and Hot Fudge is a kind of neutral brown grey, like a, is it called greige? No, it's, what's it, like a, with a brown and a beige, is it greige, isn't it? A grey and a brown. Grey? A grey and a beige, isn't it? Oh God, fuck knows. So look! Oh my God, I'm so excited, guys. This fucking top. Right, guys, so I'm going to get into the swatches now. So we have double scoop. I don't want to ruin the pan. That is double scoop, guys. Sorry, I have makeup all over my, inside my nails. Do you have this, guys? That is double, I'm going to actually swatch it. Shall I swatch it on my hand? So that is double scoop. Then we have Orange Crush. Try that finger. Oh my God. See, I'm not a makeup artist. I don't know how to do this. Orange Crush, that is gorgeous. So it's kind of an orange shimmer. Can you see the glitter or not? That is gorgeous. I'm really excited about that. They're very pigmented and very creamy. Then we have Foreplay. Oh, wow. Look at that colour. That is a classic Jeffree Star colour, isn't it? Oh, shit. That is so hot. Then we have Oral. This is a shimmer purple. Oh, look at that, guys. That's like a kind of mermaid's tail kind of purple. Gorgeous colour. Then we have Purple Punch. That's a very deep purple. How stunning are these colours? Wow. Jeffree Star literally knows what he's doing when he's doing these kind of palettes. He just knows. This is my favourite one now, Slice. Oh my God. This is like a highlighter. I'm going to use this as a highlighter. This is going on my, I want to put that and that together for some reason. I don't know why. I want to put purple and, oh my God. Then we have Bubblegum. Oh, I've run out of fingers. Let's try this one. Oh my God. Bubblegum on there. That's a beautiful, another kind of Jeffree Star kind of signature colour. Ah, look at those shimmers. Fuck. Then we have Bite Me. This is going to kill me, this one. It's going to be amazing. I can feel it. Where am I going to put Bite Me? What the hell is that? That is absolutely sick. Sorry, I've got black eyeliner all over my fingernail. And then the last one we have is Hot Fudge, which is kind of a neutral colour. Where are we going to put that one? We're going to put Hot Fudge. Put it there. Now, that's a kind of nice, kind of smoky grey. What? This is insane. I literally can't believe how pigmented these are. Let me just get tissue. Jesus wept. Right, so I can't wait to put these on my eyeshadows, on my lids now. So what I've done, I've already kind of put my makeup on. I've done my winged eyeliner and mascara. So I don't know if it's going to be a bit complicated putting this on top of, you know, my look. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to go for, I want to do a pink colour, but it doesn't really go with what I'm wearing. What I'll do is I'll save the pink kind of look for another video. So I'll do orange, I'll do the gold and the Oral. I'll do Slice and Oral. And a bit of Bite Me, I think, on the end. So here we go, guys. Oh my God, look at how much pigment there is on that. So let's go. Wow, oh my God. Look at that. I'm sorry. This is not going to be my favourite. I'm going to use this as a highlighter. I have to. So this is a beautiful colour. Look at that. That is beautiful. I'm sorry. I'm going to put some oral on the end. This might spoil it, guys, but I'm going to be a bit bold. It's in the middle, actually. I'm going to do it. Fucking hell, this is amazing. Now it looks like I've got a fucking bruised eye. Does it? Or does it not? What the hell is this? You know Jeffree likes to go for kind of out there kind of look. So we're going to do the same. And in the end, I'm going to do a bit of Bite Me, I think. Why not? Oh, wow. Just blend that all in a bit. Oh, that doesn't look very good, does it, guys? Well, I'm going to... Okay, let's just try and salvage this a bit. Blend this out a bit here. That's not too bad. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to have to put something at the end just to make it... let me put some hot fudge around the sides just to even things out a bit and not make it as purple. Okay, so Jeffree Star goes for kind of a wild look, doesn't he? So I'm going to do the same. The thing is, he doesn't have eyebrows, so it kind of looks better. I'm just going to fade it out. Whoa, that is a bit intense, isn't it? Let me just try and dummy it down a bit, guys. So I've just got my beauty blender. I'm going to just try and soften everything a bit. Oh, that's so much better. Look at that. So these shadows blend like an absolute dream. They are absolutely insane. Just what I just knew it. I knew from Jeffree Star that his stuff would not be anything less but perfect. So what do we think, guys, of the finished look? I'm just going to do... Should I do something on the bottom of my eyelids? Yeah, let's do that. So, guys, you know, I'm playing around here. It's not serious. It's not, you know, it doesn't look... Obviously, it's not professional, but I'm having fun. So don't be too harsh. What shall I put on the bottom? Let's put a bit of Orange Crush on the bottom. Let's be really wild. Wow, this is sick. I'm really feeling this look. It's really different. I'm just going to blend everything together. Wow, I feel like a rainbow. This is so cool. I really like this look, guys. I think the orange has really kind of made the look pop. So, that is it, guys. This is my makeup look. What do you think? I'm really, really liking this. Oh, and one more thing. I'm going to try the gold on my cheeks as a highlighter as well, because I'm really curious as to what it would look like as a highlighter, because I've always wanted kind of a golden highlighter. So let's just try this as a highlighter. No. This is what I've been... Is this actually a highlighter? Shit. This is what I've been dreaming of. This is now going to be my new highlighter, guys. I'm not even joking. This is what I've wanted for such a long time. You know when I used to say that, you know the opal highlighter and the Becca champagne pop, I wanted kind of a golden highlighter. This is perfect. This is it. Does it look crazy, guys, or not? Is it just me? So, guys, that is the finished look. I've kind of scratched my forehead. Thank you so much for watching. What an amazing palette. I'm absolutely in utter, the amount of looks I can do with this palette, I can't actually wait to try it out. I just can't wait. Please get yourself one of these, guys. These are from Beauty Bay. But just remember, if you get it from his website, then there is a kind of chance that you're not going to get it instantly. It's not going to be like next day like you can get on the Beauty Bay website. But, oh my God, please get yourself one of these. It's amazing. I don't know what I think of this look. I've just had a bit of fun. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, comment, and I'll see you in my next video, guys. Bye.